In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline your workflows by creating rules and automations in Asana. This is a great way to enhance productivity and ensure that your projects are always on track. So let's dive right in. To begin, we first need to log into Asana. If you're not familiar, Asana is a powerful platform designed for team collaboration and task management. Start by heading over to Asana's login page. Enter your email address as prompted and click on the Continue button. Now enter your password and click on Login to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage. This is your main hub where you can access all your projects and tasks. To start creating rules, select the project you want to automate. This step is crucial because the rules we create need to be specific to the project you're focusing on. After opening your project, look for the Customize button on the right side of the screen. Clicking this will open up additional options for tailoring your project settings. Here you'll find the Add button. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on Add, you can start creating your own rules. Next, click on Rule. This will bring up a new window where you can configure the rules tailored to your needs. Click on Create Custom Rule, which allows you to set specific triggers and actions. The first thing you'll do is create a trigger. A trigger is an event that initiates the rule. For instance, you might want a rule to be triggered when a task is marked as complete. Now let's define the action or result that should follow. This could be moving the task to a new section, assigning it to a different team member, or any number of actions Asana offers. Consider what workflow enhancements you need to automate and choose an action that aligns with your goals. After setting the trigger and action, you'll choose the destination status. This means where the task should go or how it should be updated at the end of the process. This step ensures that your workflow is smooth and predictable. Finally, once you've configured your rule, review it to make sure everything is set up correctly. If you're satisfied, click on Publish Rule to make it active. As soon as your rule is published, it will immediately start managing tasks according to your specified conditions. And there you have it, a streamlined way to automate repetitive tasks and ensure consistency in your projects. By actively using Asana's automation features, you're not only saving time, but also reducing the risk of human error. Be sure to explore and refine these rules as your projects evolve. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maximize your productivity with Asana's automation capabilities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this. See you next time.